How to set up overspeeding alerts on app. Want to get real-time alerts every time your vehicle crosses the speed limit set by you? You can do that by setting up an overspeeding alert for the vehicle inside the LocoNav platform on mobile or web. To set up an overspeeding alert, you must first have a wired GPS tracker, or OBD device installed in your vehicle, along with an active subscription to the LocoNav fleet and asset management system. Let's log into LocoNav fleet and asset management system and get started. Tap on More from the top navigation menu and select Alerts. A dashboard will appear with all alerts available on the platform. Tap on Subscriptions and then tap on the Set Alert button. You can find it on the bottom right of your screen in the shape of a plus sign. Use the search bar on the top to search for the Overspeed Alert. Tap on Overspeed Alert from the search results. Choose the vehicles from the drop-down menu for which you want to create the selected overspeeding alert in the form of real-time notifications. Then enter the speed limit value in metric units, that is, kilometers per hour, for the chosen vehicle. For example, I am setting a speed limit of 70 kilometers per hour for my vehicle. Next, enter the time duration in minutes and seconds for considering the speed violation. This will alert you only if the vehicle is overspeeding for more than the set duration. You can choose to have these notifications come to you on the mobile app, web, SMS, or email. Tap Create Subscription to save the alert settings. You can set up as many overspeeding notifications as you like for each of your vehicles. To learn more about LocoNav's fleet and asset management system, book a demo now.